Dear students, today we are going to study about an atom. Before we begin, let's see what actually the matter is. Anything that has a mass and occupies space is called a matter. A matter is made up of a tiny particles. These particles are invisible to naked eyes. The following are the characteristics of matter. Particles have a space between them. Particles are continuously moving. Particles attract each other. Based on the intermolecular force of attraction and spacing between the particles, matter is broadly classified into three categories. Solid. These are tightly packed because of a strong intermolecular force. Example is book. Liquid. The molecules in a liquid are closely packed due to weak intermolecular forces. Example is water. Gases. The intermolecular force present between them are negligible. Example is oxygen. What is an atom? Atoms are defined as the basic building blocks of matter. It is the smallest constituent unit of matter that possesses the properties of the chemical element. Atoms don't exist independently. Instead, they form ions and molecules, which further combine in a large numbers to form matter that we see, feel, and touch. Atoms are much too small to be seen. Hence, experiments to find out their structure and behavior have to be conducted with large number of them. From the results of these experiments, we may attempt to construct a hypothetical model of an atom that behaves like the true atom. What is the size of an atom? The size of an atom is extremely small, much smaller than our imagination. A layer of an atom as thick as a thin sheet of a paper is formed when more than millions of an atoms are stacked together. It is impossible to measure the size of an isolated atom because it's difficult to locate the positions of an electrons surrounding the nucleus. However, the size of an atom can be estimated by assuming that the distance between the adjacent atoms is equal to half of the radius of an atom. Atomic radius is generally measured in a nanometers. 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 9 nanometers. What are the atoms made of? An atom is composed of three particles, namely neutrons, protons, and electrons, with hydrogen as an exception without neutrons. Every atom has a nucleus that bounds one or more electrons around it. The nucleus has typically a similar number of protons and neutrons, which are together known as nucleons. The protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged, and neutrons are neutral. Do you know, students? Indian philosopher Kanad stated that there is a limit to divide matter into smaller particles. The indivisible particles that constitute matter were named by Kanad Muni as Parmanu, meaning the smallest particles. He also stated that Parmanu is indescriptible. Great philosopher Democritus stated that Matter is made up of small particles, and these cannot be divided. The smallest particle of matter was named by Democritus as atom. In Greek language, atomus means the one which cannot be cut.